Just adventuring. Look at that view. Climbing the rocks. Talking to the camera. You think that was a good cardio workout?
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a workout too. It's not hardcore, but you're getting Is your phone count on the steps and everything?
Yeah.
Let's find out. I used to walk about 4 miles a day. When I go to the gym, I do about 5 miles a day every day.
5 miles?
Yeah.
Running?
Just walking, and if you consider running, I do about a mile a day running and walking about 4 miles. I want to live, dog. This is living. I don't want to die. Seriously. There's so much to do. There's so much to see. See these students that were from Alaska? They freaking just went cross country with 3 other friends. The guy brought a little water camera and he traveled everywhere.
And he documented it?
Yeah, he documented all his adventures. He was gonna make a movie. He lost his camera, was bummed out. People were scuba diving in somewhere, I forgot what lake it was. They were scuba diving and found his camera.
What happened to him?
They found him on Facebook. He found him. The people found him, looked at the video, and went to Facebook, see somebody, their name, found the guy's name, found the guy in another state, got the camera back to him by Facebook.
Yep.
Look at that. That's the difference on my bike, what?